Welcome back to the Cool Crew, and today is rain. It's really dark and spooky, and I do not like that. So this is what's happening right now, and it's really windy. It's a category 4, and if you're in Florida, this is what you're going through, right? Hello. Look at this. Oh, and
So this is not even the eye wall yet.
yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Will you have more footage of Hurricane Milton? You think?
Yeah. Like and subscribe, or else there will be a monster under your bed. Right, Mama? Because you do not want a monster under your bed. Oh my God. Look how windy it is. Ah! It's super windy. So windy. Look how wet the car is. The car is car puddle. If you touch it, it's like a car puddle. It's so cool, actually. If you feel my hands, they'll probably get like the whole camera soaked.
Okay, we should probably put another video up when it gets a little bit more windy.
Yeah, because it's getting really wet. I mean, it's being pretty strong, but it was windy for a little bit.
Come on.
Okay.
Are we done?
Should we? I think we should go inside because the West Coast is getting damaged. If you didn't see on the news, if you didn't see on the news, like the West Coast was getting damaged. Like it was getting so damaged. Like they're creating little tsunamis and land was falling and flooding. It was amazing. Luckily, we don't live in the West Coast. So I'm just thankful that we don't live in the West Coast. What direction do we live in?
We live inland, just in the middle of the state. So not east,
South.
More like northeast.
So like north is never eat soggy waffles. So up there. So that way it's north, or this way north. Wait, this way's north. Yeah, this way's north. So look, this is how I always remember, like the ways. Look, never eat soggy waffles. North, east, south, west. Because never eat soggy waffles. Yeah. Because you can like say never eat soggy
Waffles, west.
Wait, like it's weird, but like you can like do anything, but like never eat soggy waffles. I got that term from a show that I don't watch anymore when I was little. It's called Blippi. That spells Blippi, so yeah. And I hope our Halloween decorations don't get ruined, but we took some of them down because of this hurricane we're having right there, and I'm standing. So you can show them our Halloween decorations. So show them our Halloween decorations.
Well, this isn't all of them. This is just the ones we left up.
Yeah, and look, can I show you something really cool? Oh, it's getting really windy. Look at that storm.
Okay, I think we should go in.
Stop getting windy. Sorry. It was so windy when I saw it. But But yeah, I bet at 10 or 11 p.m. we're going to get power outage.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we don't want to get power outage because that would be really bad. And I don't want to get the phone wet. And it's really wet on the car. The car, this is really wet. And just imagine, like, seeing something in the car. Like imagine, like, on a rainy night, on Halloween night, Friday the 13th, a zombie in there with Jason.
All right, we're getting off topic. Let's go in, and we'll come back when it gets a little bit later. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.